So this is the left indicator housing, that's the right indicator housing, and the part number seems to be whatever. This seems to be the part number. The part number for the two are the same, but notice the difference here. Here's a 2, here's a 1, a little bit difference. And also if you look at the spring side tab, and here we have a rib here, but we do not have the rib here. And for this one, we have a rib here, and we don't have a rib here. And if this is the front, it was installed this way, so the rib on the upper side of the car. So that's the difference of the left and right indicator housing. So just the rib. So maybe they're swappable, but that the left, that the right. So you can see, so that's 5-digit part number 48434 also appear on this side. So you can see here at the bottom, not very clear in the camera, but here is 48434 written down here, and the logo, there's the logo here, JKW, and the logo side is the spring size. There's another one, the round logo is at E12. It's also the same as this one, so JKW, so the spring size. So in this car, the spring size installed at the front side.